My name is Tessa Rogers, and this is my engineering design process for what is a periscope. First, the initial question was, how can I see above the crowd without standing on anything? And then we imagined that a periscope could help us to do that. So I also researched in this stage more about a periscope. I studied the pictures that Dr. Dietrich put up. I looked at the plans and also just Googled what is a periscope. So that helped me plan out what I was going to do initially, which was to have cereal boxes, 3, 1, 2, 3, connected, and obviously slits cut so that there's an opening where they are connected, as well as placing the mirrors on an angle. So your eye would be here and your viewing area would be up here at the different level. Okay, so as I created it, I used scissors, box cutter to cut slits. I have masking tape, and I found mirror material at AutoZone that I could cut apart. And then this was my creation. Initially, some of the things that I noticed about it were when I looked in it that the mirror angles weren't quite right, and it was a little flimsy. So my second go around, I made sure that the mirror angles were right using this framing square. Luckily, my husband's a construction worker and we have one at the house. So I used this to make sure both the mirror angles inside were 45 degrees, which I attached with a hot glue gun, actually, my second go around, so that they would be firm inside at a 45-degree angle with that. Then I also made sure that the angle of the box was 90 degrees at both sides here. Okay. And so that worked really well. I was able to see a lot better the second time. But then I also realized after putting the masking tape, after firming up the mirror angles and the box angles, that when I looked through the actual box right here, that my peripheral was still distracting me from seeing all of what I needed to see at the top, which is why I cut this eyepiece in, okay, which allowed me to see, just concentrate my visual on what's above. And that was my design process.